Have you ever wondered if there are foods that taste amazing but have almost no carbs or sugar? Well, today I'm revealing 11 incredible foods that fit that exact description. Welcome back to HEH. I'm Dr. Vivian Hart. Before we dive into the list, I have a quick question for you. Have you ever tried cutting down on sugar or carbs, only to find yourself confused about what you can actually eat? If so, you are not alone. A recent survey found that nearly 1 in 3 Americans reported using a low-carb diet in the past year. It's clear people want to reduce their intake. But to do it effectively, you need to know what to put on your plate. That's exactly what we're going to cover today. Before I start, I want to clear something up. You might be looking for foods with exactly 0 carbs and sugar. In reality, truly zero-carb foods are almost exclusively from the animal kingdom, like plain meat, fish, and eggs. So instead of chasing perfection, we're focusing on foods with almost 0. These are foods that are so low in carbohydrates and sugar that they have a negligible impact on your body. They're packed with other good stuff like protein, healthy fats, fiber, and essential vitamins. This makes them perfect for a healthy, balanced diet. Now, for the list you've been waiting for. I've organized these 11 amazing foods into categories to make them easy to remember. Let's kick things off with leafy greens. We're talking about spinach, kale, arugula, lettuce, and Swiss chard. These greens are nutritional powerhouses that are incredibly low in carbohydrates. For example, a full cup of raw spinach has almost no digestible carbs. It's mostly water, fiber, and a powerhouse of nutrients like vitamins A, C, and K. Studies show that the glycemic index of spinach and lettuce is just 15, while kale is even lower at 10. In practical terms, this means you can eat a generous portion without worrying about any significant impact on your blood sugar levels. Next up are the cruciferous vegetables: broccoli, cauliflower, cabbage, and Brussels sprouts. These are some of the most satisfying and versatile low-carb foods out there. A 1-cup serving of raw broccoli has only about 3 grams of net carbs, and cauliflower is even lower. The real magic of these vegetables lies in their effect on your body. A 2025 clinical study published in the journal Diabetes investigated the glycemic effects of different vegetables. The research found that when participants ate cruciferous vegetables like broccoli, they had significantly more stable blood sugar levels compared to when they ate starchy vegetables. The researchers concluded that cruciferous vegetables offer a unique advantage for glycemic control. This makes them an excellent choice for creating stable energy levels throughout your day. Number 3 stands out as a unique fruit. The avocado is unlike any other. While most fruits are known for their natural sugar content, the avocado is a glorious exception. An avocado contains less than 1 gram of sugar. In fact, half an avocado has about 8.5 grams of total carbs, but 6.5 of those grams are fiber. This means it has only about 2 grams of net carbs. Because of this unique nutrition profile, avocados are often considered to have virtually no impact on blood sugar, and they don't even get a standard glycemic index score. Their healthy fats and high fiber content are a powerful combination for keeping you feeling full and satisfied. Number 4 and 5 are 2 of the most perfect protein packages you can eat: eggs and fish. Starting with eggs, a large egg contains less than half a gram of carbohydrate, and this tiny amount is found in the yolk. The egg white is almost pure protein and contains no carbs or sugar at all. As for fish, options like salmon, mackerel, and tuna are completely free of carbohydrates. What's fascinating is that a 2025 study found that fatty fish, rich in omega-3 fatty acids, are particularly good for metabolic health. A simple way to think about it is this: swapping a beef burger for a salmon fillet a few times a week is a powerful step toward better nutrition. Number 6 on our list is plain poultry and meat. All cuts of beef, pork, lamb, and chicken are naturally zero-carb foods. For optimal health benefits, I often recommend eating a variety of cuts. Leaner cuts like chicken breast provide high-quality protein. Fattier cuts like ribeye or chicken thighs can be more satisfying and provide important fat-soluble vitamins. Number 7 provides healthy fats and crunch, nuts and seeds. Options like almonds, walnuts, pecans, and macadamia nuts are excellent choices. While an ounce of most nuts contains about 5 grams of net carbs, these carbs come packaged with healthy fats and protein that moderate their effect. For instance, walnuts have approximately 2 grams of net carbs per ounce, along with 18 grams of fat and 4 grams of protein. Nuts and seeds are rich in healthy unsaturated fats, which are good for your cholesterol levels. I have another question for you to ponder. Which could be a healthier afternoon snack, a small bag of pretzels, or a handful of almonds? The almonds provide protein and healthy fats, while the pretzels are mostly refined carbohydrates. Number 8 is cheese. This is a wonderful low-carb option that adds flavor and texture to any meal. Most hard and semi-hard cheeses, like cheddar, Gouda, and Parmesan, contain 0 grams of carbohydrates and sugar. Cheese is a good source of protein and fat, making it a satisfying addition to a low-carb plate. Number 9 is a unique food group, mushrooms. Mushrooms are one of the few plant foods that are exceptionally low in carbohydrates. In fact, they are often recommended for people looking to manage their blood sugar levels because of their low glycemic impact. Beyond their low-carb profile, mushrooms are unique because they are one of the few natural food sources of vitamin D, especially if they've been exposed to UV light during growth. Their savory, umami flavor can add depth to any dish. Finally, we have the sweet conclusion to our list, berries. While most fruits are higher in natural sugar, berries like strawberries, raspberries, and blackberries are lower in sugar and much higher in fiber. For example, a 100-gram serving of raspberries contains only about 4.4 grams of sugar. They are also packed with vitamin C and fiber. The dietary fiber in berries helps slow down the absorption of their natural sugars, making them a fruit that fits perfectly into a low-sugar lifestyle. Number 11 is the secret to making all of this delicious: herbs and spices. You can transform simple grilled meat or roasted vegetables into a culinary masterpiece using the power of spices. For instance, 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, oregano, or thyme has an antioxidant capacity comparable to a cup of spinach or half a cup of chopped tomatoes. Herbs and spices not only add incredible flavor without sugar, but also contribute antioxidants to every bite. Now that we have our list of 11 incredible foods, let's talk about a fun and practical way to combine them: a zero-sugar, low-carb charcuterie board. Imagine a large wooden board. In one corner, place a generous pile of mixed leafy greens and some roasted broccoli. Next to that, arrange slices of hard cheese like cheddar and Gouda. Add a variety of deli meats such as salami, prosciutto, and roast turkey. Fill a small bowl with a mix of olives, pickles, and pepperoncini. Then add crunchy almonds and walnuts. For sweetness and color, add a handful of fresh raspberries or blackberries. Finally, sprinkle the entire board with fresh herbs like rosemary and cracked black pepper. This board is not just delicious, it is a masterpiece of low-carb, no-sugar eating. It's important to remember that carbohydrates are not inherently bad. The focus should be on reducing refined carbohydrates and added sugars, which are often found in highly processed foods. The foods we discussed today are naturally low in carbs and sugar and are some of the most nutrient-dense options available. I have one final question for you. After learning about these 11 foods, which one will you be adding to your next meal? Let me know in the comments below. I read every single one. I'm Dr. Vivian Hart. Eat well and I'll see you in the next video.